हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की टाइपिंग एक्सरसाइज को। आज मैं एक 150 शब्द का पैसेज लेके आया हूँ और आप पर मिनट 30 WPM कर सकते हैं। आप एक चीज़ याद रखें कि हर नया सेंटेंस शुरू होने पर उसका जो पहला वर्ड होगा उसके पहले कैरेक्टर को आपको कैपिटल में लिखना है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। The rapid growth of the world's population over the past 100 years results from a difference between the rate of birth and the rate of death. Full stop. The human population will increase by 1 billion people in the next decade. Full stop. This is like adding the whole WHOLE, adding the whole population of China to the world's population. Full stop. The growth in human population around the world affects all people through its impact on the economy and environment. Full stop. The current rate of population growth is now a significant burden. SIGNIFICANT, significant burden. BURDEN, burden to human well-being. WELLBEING, well-being. The current rate of population growth is now a significant burden to the human well-being. Full stop. Understanding the factors, FACTORS, understanding the factors which affect population growth, patterns, PATTERNS, patterns can help us plan for the future. FUTURE. Full stop. The purpose of PURPOSE, the purpose of this unit is to examine EXAMINE. The purpose of this unit is to examine some important factors about overpopulation. Some factors about overpopulation. Full stop. This unit addresses 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 the definition of overpopulation. The definition of overpopulation, the causes of rapid population growth. The causes of rapid population growth, comma, the consequences of rapid population growth. The consequences of rapid population growth. consequences की स्पेलिंग है CONSEQUENCES. CONSEQUENCES consequences of rapid population growth, comma, and actions 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 and strategies 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 that can be developed to solve problems caused by overpopulation. Full stop. This unit consists of core knowledge core knowledge about the causes and consequences 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 of overpopulation, comma, lesson plans, comma, teacher resources, lesson plans, comma, teacher resources, comma, a list of speakers and a bibliography, 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 full stop. Although ALTHOUGH, although this unit is intended, 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 primarily, PRIMARILY, primarily for students in grade 5 to 8, in grade 5 to 8, comma, teachers in both elementary, ELEMENTARY, teachers in both elementary and high school can use this unit to explore key ideas and concept about the population explosion. Concept about the population explosion. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था आज का पैराग्राफ. आई होप आपने टाइप किया होगा. आप कितने टाइप कर पाए मुझे बताना. वीडियो में क्या प्रॉब्लम रही ये भी मुझे बताना. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कर देना अगर अच्छी लगी, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. चलिए, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली एक्सरसाइज में.